I'm Sean Early, the General Manager for Richvale Irrigation District. It's starting on a path to being in compliance with SB 7X7, and we've been utilizing the RemoteTracker now for the last 3 years, I'd say, with pretty good results.
State law mandated the districts of our size measure our irrigation water at the turnout level. We started off by looking at different types of measurement options, and we did a year-long study looking at various types of meters, meter gates, and we chose the RT method.
The overall reaction using the RemoteTracker with the personnel that are using them has been, at first it was kind of tough because it was change and it wasn't really, accepted to a point where I thought it was even going to work at first. But once they started seeing the management decisions that we had in front of us, I mean, we could better manage the water. It made less work on them. We've got the farmers together with the operators so that both of them see the same thing, and now we're talking the same language.
So the RemoteTracker system is comprised of 3 main parts. There's the water velocity sensor that's out in the channel measuring the flow rate. And then we have a Toughbook computer in the operator's vehicle where he can see the real-time flow being displayed as he's adjusting the gate. And then lastly, there's a database back at the district's office where they can interact with the data, quality control the data, and actually see daily volumes in a real-time basis of water applied to each field in the district.
What we found was that the RemoteTracker was going to be pretty easy for the watermen to use. It eliminated the need for a device at each individual site, which didn't work for our system. We have high flows and low flows. We have algae and weed problems in our canals, and there wasn't a meter that could specifically accommodate all of those variables. We chose the RT because rather than having 600 meter devices in the district, we can provide 6 measurement devices to our watermen who could go by each site and measure the water. They're able to see the real-time flows to each field at any time and appropriately adjust the delivery gate for the farmer.
So in addition to a benefit from a maintenance perspective, you also have a significant reduction in costs.
My name is Chris Murillo, and I've been working here for about 3 years. When I first came out here, we had like a series of charts and stuff, and like the weir stick, and we had all kinds of ways of measuring the water, but it was a little difficult. With this thing, it's pretty automatic. It makes my job a lot easier. I move around a lot quicker instead of eyeballing everything and wondering if I have the correct water going into the field.
The next step for this program is to look at the data that we've gathered this year and decide what kind of a workload that is for our watermen. In addition, we want to take that information and deliver usage reports that we can then turn into billing.
The validity of the RemoteTracker has kind of brought a lot of energy and a ton of respect from the farmers and the operators. They seem to really be working well together, and it's kind of exciting, and folks are really interested in how they can manipulate and better manage their water.